A walk in the park? Central Park is far more. You will be stepping into a rare piece of the real Florida, which exists geographically in the very heart of Ormond Beach. The park began as a spark in the eye of our first city manager, Gerald Althouse. Mr. Althouse envisioned borrow pits as the nucleus for parks, instead of a potential plague on the environment. A caring public rallied in support. They helped in many ways, working with dedicated city employees, some of whom once swam in the rock pits. They acquired the ultimate reward, the privilege of welcoming you here today to enjoy, explore, and preserve this environmental treasure. It has taken over 30 years to reach this point, but once you've enjoyed the park, you will likely agree it was worth it.
As early as the mid-1960s, the property, which consisted of coquina shell mining pits on the outskirts of Ormond Beach, was envisioned by then city manager Gerald Althouse to one day become a beautiful natural park where families could have picnics, hike, fish, and boat while enjoying the beauty of nature. As the city grew, this area became centrally located, and in the 1980s, the city began its acquisition of the property, with the initial parcel acquirement from Volusia County. The first phase of park construction began in 1985, and property acquisition and park construction has continued since that time. Central Park is about 150 acres and contains many recreational resources, including basketball courts, elevated boardwalks, trails, tennis courts, community gardens, a labyrinth, canoe and kayak launches, observation areas, and much more. Central Park was named in the phases that they occurred. Phase 1 is located between Fleming Avenue and Hand Avenue. Phase 2 is located north of Hammock Lane. Phase 3 is located between Hammock Lane and Division Avenue, and Phase 4 is located between Hand Avenue and Division Avenue. Over the years, Central Park has gone through many additional changes, including the Central Park Lake Interconnect project in 2014. This project involved construction of culvert bridges to connect all of the Central Park lakes, allowing 75 acres of navigable waters. This also served to reduce flooding. The Environmental Discovery Center, located in Central Park Phase 3, broke ground August 28, 2015, and opened on May 21, 2016.